Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Phil from Practical Media 101. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to remove demo content from your WordPress website and how to bring it back to the original settings. So let's get started. First of all, what you can see here is a demo website that I imported from the Blocksy theme and added to my WordPress site. If you want to get a tutorial on how to create this website from scratch, then you can suggest that in the comment section and I'll be sure to create a video on that. But first, we have imported this and now we want to bring our WordPress website back into the original settings. Like we want to delete all these, we want to disable the themes as well. So what are we supposed to do in order to achieve this? So for that, we need to come back into the backend of our WordPress website. From here, we will go to plugins and click on add new plugins. Once inside here, you have to search for WP Reset. This is the name of the plugin that we are going to be using in order to reset our WordPress site. Install and activate this plugin. Once activated, go back into the plugins page. Click on installed plugins. And from there, you can navigate to this WP Reset plugin and you can click on open WP Reset tools. It will show you an interface like this. You have to scroll down and you have to come into site reset. Here, you can enable these options if you want to reactivate the WP Reset plugin or reactivate the current theme. But I'm going to be disabling all of this because I want to full reset my website. After I disable this, I will come into this prompt window and I will type reset. And then I will click on reset site. Now you also have the option to create a snapshot of the website so that you can save the changes before you reset. So that option is available for you in case you want to revert back to the original website after resetting in the future. So you can create a snapshot if you want to, but since I don't want to create a snapshot, I'm just going to be clicking on reset site. And now let's confirm reset WordPress. The resetting will go into progress. Let's wait for a little while. Now, as you can see, the site has been resetted and WordPress has went back into its default settings. Now let's go ahead and check out the front end of the website to see what it looks like. Let me reload this page. So as you can see, the theme has been resetted and the complete website has been deleted. You can confirm that by going back into the post section and checking out the post. And you can even see the pages section. And you'll be able to see all the pages have been deleted. So have all the posts as well. So this is a tutorial on how you can reset your WordPress website. If you like the tutorial video, then consider subscribing and turning on your bell notifications and give this video a giant thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.